Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 23rd of January 2022. Yeah, today I'm going to give y'all a new price target into the market for HBAR. We have a couple more days since my last video. You guys can see it. Yeah, price went down. So are you confused to see the price in HBAR actually come down to where we expected it to go? Because we're not. I told you all the way back on the 9th of January that we were still looking for the price in HBAR to go down. Well, now that has came and that is now gone. We need to prepare ourselves for what's next. So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I make sure that you and I are both in position so that we can win and dominate within the cryptocurrency space. It doesn't matter about the currency. We simply want to be in position so that we can win in the market. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, my price predictions, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to our channel. And as well, if you guys want to get the latest price prediction for any type of cryptocurrency that I cover on this channel, make sure you come to my YouTube channel right here, hit that playlist button and scroll down, find a cryptocurrency that you're interested in to see what my latest thoughts are for that particular market. Now let's break back down into HBAR so you guys can see it. I did a video all the way back in December right here, right on the 17th, and I was still expecting the price in HBAR to go down. That was my first initial thought process back in December, was to see the price in HBAR go down. Now, did it go down immediately? No, it didn't. We still saw that this area of restriction was around 34 cents, and that still should have told us, it should have let us know that this market in HBAR was still weak, right? We hit our head twice right there around 34 cents, and since then this price in HBAR has been on a downtrend. And just yesterday, the market came to our expectations, to where we said it was going to bounce and hold support. Yeah, right there. So that's about 20, almost 21% right there. Simple, right? It is. Don't let no one else try to make you think that this is a complicated game, because it is not. You should be able to understand what the market is trying to do, where it's trying to go without the confusion. So now that is done, that is over. Let me go ahead and give you all this updated price target into the market for HBAR, right? Now, what do you all think? I mean, are you looking for the price of HBAR to continue to go down, or are you looking for us to stay elevated above 20 cents and trade sideways for a couple of weeks and then go back up? I mean, what is your thought process? Just by looking at the price bars and the volume, it doesn't take a whole lot just to figure out what the market is trying to tell us. So if I were to take this horizontal line right here, and if I were to do this, I want you all to let me know, do you think that this market in HBAR is in a downtrend? Right? Do you think we're in a downtrend? This is a very logical question that one needs to ask when they come in and look at this chart, because we've seen this market in HBAR continue to trend lower as we started back here in November of last year. Yeah, this price is still coming down. Now, let me show you something on a longer time frame, because the longer time frame would give us a better indication as to where this market is trying to go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the 3 weeks time frame. And I want you all to tell me, what do you all think about the market in HBAR, right? What do you all think? Let me get rid of this. So looking at this current 3-weekly price bar right there, right? I want you all to let me know something. What does it look like the market wants to do from this perspective, from this time frame? Do it look like we want to go up, or does it look like the market wants to come down? And the second thing I want you all to take a look at is that this is where the trend or the breakout started in HBAR. You see that? Look at where the price is though. So when you look at this, you guys can see that the trend has been broken in HBAR. Let me show you this on the 3-day time frame to give you a better idea as to what this trend looks like. You see this? HBAR has broken this trend. We was following this upward trend into the market in HBAR back in June time frame 2021. The market in HBAR came and bounced off of this trend. Well, that's not the case anymore. Do you see that? We broke that trend, so we should not be bullish into the market in HBAR. Is pretty much what I'm telling you. The market is letting us know already. This trend that we started all the way back in the beginning of last year, it has broken. 12 months of trading alongside this trend, and just this year alone, 2022, price is now broken it. So I'm not bullish into the market in HBAR. So if I could get rid of that analysis, if I could get rid of us expecting the price in HBAR to go up, that leaves me with two other options. Either the price is going to continue to trade sideways, or we're going to continue to go lower, right? And looking at that 3-weekly price bar that I've just shown you, it should kind of let you know that we might dip a little bit lower. Okay, look at this. The reason why I say that is because this current 3-weekly price bar is encompassing the last 2 3-weekly price bars. Like this one spread is taking over the last 2 3-weekly price bars. So we have to be prepared for this price to continue to go lower in the long term. Now, long term for me is descriptive as like being a monthly time frame, 2 months, 3 months, something like around that. Not 3 years, not 5 years, not 10 years. But we got to be prepared for a continuation of movement lower because this is what this 3-weekly price bar is telling me. Now, let's see what's going on the 2 weeks then. Maybe we might got something different on the 2 weeks time frame. What do you think? Yay or nay? Do you see anything different from the 3-weekly price bar from this 2-weekly one? I really don't see any different. I don't see any strength coming into the market on these time frames. This is the weekly. So the only thing that I can say right now is, yeah, I still think we got a little bit lower to go into the market in HBAR. I'm looking around 16 cents. Ooh, I know you guys don't want to hear that, but yeah, 16 cents is where it's at. That's the next level for us to see this price in HBAR come towards. All right, so let me bring this down because I want us to be prepared for this. I want us to be prepared for this market movement lower because we haven't seen any changes occur that will substantiate that this market in HBAR is trying to go up right now. No, the opportunity for us to see the continuation of upward movement was right there. This weekly price bar, we should have seen the price in HBAR go up. Well, here we are 5 weeks into this and we're still seeing price come down. So the overall gist of this market is still weak. Now, the only thing that will go against me seeing my expectations come to fruition is the fact that this price stays above 20 cents. I already know that. So if I continue to see this market strength coming around 20 cents, then I know I might need to cut my prediction of seeing price come down around 16 and start taking the market move higher. See, you don't have to be fearful. You don't have to worry. You already have a plan. And this is what I'm literally trying to show you all. All right, so let me show you all this, and then I'll go ahead and put my prediction on in the market for HBAR. Switch this back over. So already I got 2 price targets. My first one is still 20 cents. Like, I don't want us to be oblivious to not think that the price cannot hold 20 cents. It can. So if I continue to see that, yeah, I'm going to take that 12.25% then, right? And be satisfied with the market move to the downside. I don't want us to become overly greedy to the fact that we become oblivious to not seeing what the market is trying to show us. So that's the first price target right there at 20 cents, right? And you guys can see that would give us about what? 12.5% moving to the downside again. Next area, it's going to be down there towards 16. Now, this 16 cent area that I'm identifying right now, give me about 3 weeks. Give me about 4 weeks to let this play out, right? We got to let the market give us ample amount of time because this is where I'm seeing the weakness at from a 3-weekly perspective, 4 weeks. So let's see what happens in the next 4 weeks regarding how low this market is going to go in HBAR. But generally, if you guys are in this for the long term, take a look at the overall market. Yeah, just look at the market zoomed out. Look at this. I mean, does it look that bad? No, it doesn't. HBAR doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look like it's about to go to zero. But in the meantime, we can play some little bit of weakness here though. I mean, look at this. This market is actually pretty stable, right? We're just pretty much trading sideways. And we might continue to get that as we go throughout 2022. But this is what I'm looking at right now. So now it is your turn. Let me go ahead and switch this over to the daily because I want to make sure we follow this on the daily time frame. Okay, so you guys see it. This is my expectations going forward into the market for HBAR. Now it's your turn. Put out in the public. Let everyone else see your price prediction, your price target for HBAR over the next 4 weeks. What do you think the price is going to be in 4 weeks? You guys can see I'm not looking for a lot of volatility. Yeah, we can see a small dip coming to this particular market, but that's probably about it. We break 16 cents though, expect a massive movement to the downside. All right, I'm done. Your turn. Hit me up. Welcome to the family. Thank to all of our subscribers and those who follow us from the very beginning, our day ones. We definitely appreciate you all. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.